In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline View in Smartsheet. If you're looking for a clear, high-level picture of your work over time, the Timeline View is a great way to see how tasks, phases, and milestones line up across your schedule. It gives you a clean horizontal layout, making it easy to understand what's happening now, what's coming next, and how everything fits together. Start by opening your sheet. At the very top, you'll notice a control that shows the current view you're in. This might say Grid, Gantt, Card, or Calendar, depending on what you used last. That label is actually a drop-down menu. Click it to reveal your view options, and from there, choose Timeline. As soon as you select it, your sheet switches into Timeline View. You'll immediately see a horizontal timescale along the top, days, weeks, or months, depending on your zoom level and the data in your sheet. Each row with valid start and end dates appears as a bar across that timeline, so you can quickly spot durations, overlaps, and gaps. Summary rows may appear as longer bars that represent a group of related tasks, while individual tasks sit beneath them, helping you understand structure at a glance. What's important to know is that the timeline relies on your sheet's date fields. If a row doesn't have a start and end date, it may not display as a bar here. That's normal. Also, if your timeline seems empty or very sparse, it might be because your current date range is outside the visible window. Simply scroll left or right to explore earlier or later months, and scroll vertically to see more rows. The timeline view doesn't change your underlying data. Think of it as a lens. Filters, hierarchies, and other configurations you've already set up in the sheet will influence what you see, but switching to timeline won't alter any of your content. This makes it safe for quick check-ins, reviews, and status updates. If you don't see the timeline option in the drop-down, there are a couple of common reasons. Your sheet may not be configured with date columns that Smartsheet recognizes, or your organization's plan or permissions may not include this view. In those cases, check with your sheet owner or admin to confirm access and setup. Once you're in timeline view, use it to validate schedules, communicate progress, and spot potential bottlenecks. The clean layout helps teams align on priorities and timing, and it's especially helpful during planning sessions or executive updates where clarity and brevity matter. That's all it takes. Open the View menu at the top, choose Timeline, and you're ready to visualize your work over time.